gifts. Manifesting pa rin. Waiting pa rin. Mm-mm. Wala na akong ano, guys. Wala akong lipstick. Wala akong lipstick ngayon. Kumain kasi ako. Walang filter. Yeah, my hero. I saw that I saw those gifts to other hosts. And I'm just like, lapit kasi ng lapit sa cam. Bakit? Bakit? Which one? This one. The one. And the love me. Ay. I already received the Kiss Me and the Pretty. But I always saw on other. I've sent all those before. Who? Kanino? I think to the other host. But I never tried that. I never tried that. Never received that kind of gifts. Those gifts. Believe it or not, I'm just telling the truth. Should am I put there for just like, ano yung papansin lang, ganon? No. I I put those gifts on my screen just because I sent Dragon before. Wow. Wow! Manifesting! Sana all na-send na yan. Oo nga. Piso-piso nga lang din ako eh, yung mga dinadrop sa akin eh. Dragon? May dragon ba dito? Wala akong nilagay na dragon dyan eh. Chef, hello! No, hindi ko pa siya hindi ko pa siya na-try. Never try. Sanctuary. SBIP2, hello. Kaya nakalagay sa ano ko. Alam nga may lagay ko dyan, 1K, 1K, no? Kasi, hindi tayo para mag-hotline dito. Malapit na. Malapit na, Tess. Mister ko. Ay! You never, you didn't see my, you never saw my body. Papasabi ka na lang ng body T. Because I have a 26 waistline and malaki yung balakang ko. Yeah. It's nice. Yes. Sexy ako, guys. I'm a sexy person. Prime Bean, hello. Very sexy ako. Try nyo ako. It's perfect size. Yes. Try nyo akong i-stock dito. Ewan ko bakit na-upload yung iba minsan. Not too big. Yes. And my weight is 57. My height is 5'8". Yes. Yes. Sobrang angas. Lots of dragon. You're tall. Yes, I'm a very tall. J.O., hello. I'm very tall. My height is 5'8". My weight is 57. My waistline is 26. And then my boobs